Alright, today I'm unboxing the all-new HP Pavilion TouchSmart 11.6-inch touchscreen laptop. This laptop features 4GB of memory, 500GB hard drive, running Windows 8 and featuring AMD A6 running at 1 GHz, and retails for $379.99. Alright, let me get my blade and open it up. Alright, let's open it up and take a look. Alright, let's see what we have here. Here goes the setup instructions, showing you the quick setup and a quick tour of the HP laptop. Let's see what we have here. Here goes the power cord. Here goes the AC adapter. Here goes the 3-cell battery pack. Alright, let's see if there's anything under here. It looks like some paperwork here. Here goes the Windows 8 basic paperwork. The Norton Internet Security Guide. And the HP Worldwide Limited Warranty Support paperwork. Alright, let's get to what we've been waiting for. The all-new HP Pavilion TouchSmart 11.6-inch touchscreen laptop. Let's get this wrapper off here. Let's take a look at this beauty. There we go. Very solid looking laptop. Here goes the back side where the battery pack goes. And the right side of the laptop. Here goes a view of the top of the laptop. Here's the bottom. Alright, let's take a look at the left side of the laptop. Let me focus my camera here. Alright, here we go. Starting from the left, we got the Kensington security slot, the VGA port, exhaust port for the fans, USB 2.0 port, and the SD card reader. Let's go to the right side of the laptop. Here goes your AC port for your charger, Ethernet port, HDMI output, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and a 3.5mm headset port. Alright, let's open up the laptop and see how it looks inside. Very nice. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video. I'll be testing out this HP TouchSmart 11 laptop for a couple of days, and I'll have a review on it soon. If you enjoyed watching this video, please click the thumbs up button, and please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Alright, thanks guys. Peace.